All right, today we're diving into a classic sure to please dish, some shrimp scampi. With juicy shrimp, a buttery garlic sauce, and just the right amount of lemon, this recipe is simple, it's quick, and it's packed with flavor. It's perfect for easy weeknight meals or a nice dinner with your spouse. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by cutting up 2 shallots. We're choosing shallots over onions in this recipe because you want a milder, sweeter flavor in this dish. We don't want a strong onion flavor. Shallots work perfect for that. A lot of times you're making a light sauce, the shallots are going to be your best bet. And when you're done cutting those up, just put them in a bowl to the side. We also got about 4 cloves of garlic here. Just go ahead and smash those, get those diced up real fine, and then set them to the side for now. We'll use them in a little bit. Okay, get you about a pound of shrimp. You want to get them really dry, so just get them on paper towel, pat them dry with that. Then we're going to put some salt and pepper on them. You just want to get medium shrimp. You don't want jumbo, but you also don't want really little ones, so just a medium-sized shrimp. Once you get one side down, flip them over, do the same thing on the other side. All right, now in a pan, preheated over about medium heat, add you about 2 tablespoons of butter and get that melted down. Also add about 2 tablespoons of some olive oil. All right, now we're going to drop our shrimp in. You're only going to cook these for 45 seconds to a minute on each side. You go any longer than a minute, you can start overcooking them. So you want to cook these hot and fast. All right, they've been going for a little bit on that side. You flip them over, you can see they got a nice little brown on them. That's all you want. Once they got that nice color, they're done. Flip them. We're going to do another 30 seconds or so on this side, and it'll be ready to pull them out. And once you pull them out, just stick them in a bowl or something to the side. Now we're going to add our shallots. We'll get them cooking down. Once they start sweating down a little bit, we're going to add about a half a cup of white wine to deglaze the pan. Just keep cooking them after that until they're soft. And I use like a drier white wine. I'm not using anything fruity. And while these are cooking down, go ahead and add you a couple of pinches of red pepper flakes. This is also a good time to get your pasta cooking. I'm cooking about a pound of linguine, but you can use whatever kind of pasta you like. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and add our chopped garlic in. Then we're going to throw in about 2 more tablespoons of butter. The rest going to keep cooking until the butter gets melted down. Okay, our butter's melted down just about, so go ahead and add the juice of 1 lemon and get that mixed around. All right, now we're just going to keep cooking on this on about a medium heat, stirring frequently until it reduces, get a little thicker, probably about 10 minutes. Now we're going to add in our pasta, we're going to add in our shrimp, and we're going to do about a quarter cup of chopped parsley. Now get you some tongs and get it mixed in really well. Make sure your pasta's coated with your sauce, your parsley's mixed around, and make sure you get your shrimp distributed. It's time now to get this on a plate, get a glass of wine, and enjoy. It's best to serve this as soon as it's ready. You don't want it sitting around for too long. Let me know how you like this if you try it.